Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, April 12th, and this is my analysis of the Euro-US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top data analysis. So on the monthly, we are definitely still going down. I still suspect that eventually this is going to go up, but when I say eventually on the monthly time frame, that could easily be anywhere from a month to maybe several months. But I still think eventually it is going to go up and take out these highs and end up turning into an expanding flat wave C. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I'm still looking at this as a wave 1. I still think it's an expanding flat wave 2. It looks to me like a higher high wave B, lower low wave C definitely fits the characteristics of an expanding flat. If that's the case, and this is still a wave 1, this is still a wave 2, which is clearly not over, and I still think eventually it will go up and make that 3, 4, and 5 like I showed on the monthly time frame. So going down to the daily, what's important to see on the daily is that we are definitely still in a downtrend. Now I am definitely looking at this as a trend, probably a wave A. I mean, it possibly could be a wave 1 at this point, but I still think it's a wave A. Looks like an ABC of B, possibly a wave 2, and we are obviously either in a wave C or maybe a wave 3. I still think wave C, but we definitely can't rule out wave 3. And we're luckily looking for shorts right now either way, so it doesn't really matter much. So at this point, it kind of looks like a 1, it looks like a 2, and we're probably going to stretch out to a wave 3. Maybe it will respect to 78%, maybe it'll just go beyond. Either way, we're definitely looking for shorts. I'm looking at this as possibly an ABC, but it could turn into a 1, 2, 3. So going down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, we're definitely looking for shorts in a downtrend. Like I said, it looks like it should be a 1, 2, 3 of C or a 1, 2, 3 of 3. Either scenario at this point, I don't really think that's important to know, because either scenario, whether it's a 3 or whether it's a C, doesn't really matter much, because either way we will be looking for shorts for the continuation of this downtrend. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, like I was talking about last night in my PM videos, this is like a perfect 5 waves down right here, almost a perfect trend. But then when we're on a wave 3 on the much higher time frames, what happens? It goes up, looks like it should break structure, never breaks structure, makes a lower high, and just keeps on pushing down, which is exactly what happened. Now I am definitely looking for shorts, but I definitely wouldn't go short right now. I would have to see a pullback in order to go short. Whether it's going to make a pullback now or whether it's going to keep on drifting down, we don't really know. But when a pullback does occur, which eventually I think it will, that is where I will definitely be looking for shorts in a downtrend for the continuation of either a wave 3 of C or a wave 3 of 3. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, link down here below, and don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to the daily live trading sessions and the swing trade setups at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.